Hello, friends. This is the last class of the day because this is our instructions for the homework. And remember when I told you that we had one person left to do a guest teaching, I forgot that we have one more class today. And it just so happens that this is the perfect class for her to teach because she is smart in math. She is great in math. She's quick with the answers. She's excellent writing her numbers down. And she really is a good help in math. So our math professor today is going to be our guest teacher. And that is our sweet, lovely Miss Rylan. Rylan, we miss you so much. We're glad you're going to be our guest teacher because you have a lot to teach us about math, okay? So the math is a review page. It's on page 71. Let me pull that up so that Rylan can show you all about how to do it. Here we go. And if we look down at the bottom, it is page 71. Now you've got two pages of this. You've got 71 or 72 on the back. You don't have to do 72. You only have to do page 71 today. Okay, and Rylan's going to teach us how to do that. All right, so let's do our name and date. Oh, excuse me, you'll have to forgive me. It is getting late. Night school has been long. I had so many things that I wanted to do with you and show you and go over. I wanted to make cinnamon milk. I wanted to read. I wanted to show you capacity. Just such a full, fun day. I'll be ready to go night-night tonight. All right, so it's 3, 4, 21 plus this is a late night school. I have to tell you, it is about 11 o'clock at night for me. So I'm ready. I'm about ready. So if Riley can keep me awake just a little bit longer, we'll be done. I hope you're already in bed. Late as 11 is awfully late to be up. Okay. So it's a cumulative review, and that means a review of all the chapters that we have had so far. And so let's read the directions together. You ready, Rylan? It says, draw jumps to show counting on. Solve. Rylan's very good at counting on. And so solve means to give us the answer. And it gives us the tool that it wants us to use is counting on with the number line. So it says 8 plus 1, and what we need to do is look at 8 and then jump over one more. What is this answer? Goes in here. Okay. Number 2 is 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hang on. I lost that. Try again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your answer. Goes in here. Then it asks us to write the related addition fact. Okay, for these, you remember we talked about the property of the addition where you can add two numbers, this number and this number, but if you switch them around, you still get the same answer. Okay, I'll give you an example. 2 plus 9 is 11. But we can cross these up and we can still say that 9 plus 2 is also 11. All right, give some training wheels here. 3 plus 6 is what? And 6 plus what is what? Likewise, we have 4 plus 5 is 9. Blank plus blank is also 9. Great, you're doing great. How are they doing, Rylan? You're doing pretty well. 2 addition facts for 10. This means they want us to do 2 problems that equal 10, and we're adding. So we can do anything plus anything that will give us 10 on the boxes, and we can also do it on a number line. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, and then let's go. Oh, I don't want to use squares. That might be confusing. Let's do circles and X's. There we go. So we can say how many circles plus how many X's equals 10. Now here we do the same thing. Let's pick another number. 2 plus this equals 10. And now at the bottom, we get to do a little review on even and odd. Remember, we talked about if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, the number is even. This means if you and a friend have some and you split them up, you both have the same amount because there's enough to divide them equally, okay? And if it is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, the number is odd, okay? Then you're gonna look at these numbers, count them, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up here, do you think 10 is an odd or an even number? I'll tell you, the number 10 ends in a 0. Anything that ends in the 0 is going to be even. Okay. And now we have a number here, and we need to know whether it's even or odd. You have a number here. You have to know whether it's even or odd. Excellent day today. I have had so much fun with you today. We did so many great, wonderful things. It was really a fun day. And I will miss you, and I will see you first thing tomorrow for game day, which is another one of my favorites. Sleep tight. Happy dreams. Have a good night.